left. Oh, there. Oh my gosh, there it is. It's laying in the grass. Oh, zoom in faster. Zoom in faster. Look, it's laying in the grass. Oh, pretty deer. Let me see if I can get a better picture of it. Golf cart.
Oh. Bridge.
It's like a Disneyland ride.
Way over there.
And I was filming the entire time. Mondo, you are not driving anymore.
Why is Tyler in the hospital? Mondo ran him over.
That was a ride. Second day of car show, and we're here picking up Samantha and Gordy because they're going to join us for the day, and Miguel and Renee will be there too, so it's going to be a party. We're going to have a lot more people with us than we usually do, so it's going to be nice. We're excited, and it's cold this morning. Hello! Hi! We're at the this is Samantha. We're at the Good Guys Nationals, and what's today? Saturday. Today's Saturday. So we're doing the second day. Mondo's gonna come tomorrow, I'm not. So this will be the last car vlog for today at least, until next month or whenever it goes. So Samantha's joining me today.
Nice to meet you. Sorta.
Sorta, kinda. Nice to meet the world. No. Wait,
no.
You're fine. Here's Renee, she joined us. She looks so pretty. Wait, outfit of the day, outfit of the day. Beautiful blue maxi dress. Do you know how many times he freaking hits me in the eye? Did you just see that? My eyes watering. I look like I'm crying now.
I did that to myself yesterday, right when
Did I tell you the story is when we first started going out, how many times he poked me in the eye?
No, literally he going in.
What? He tried to put his arm around me one time and he literally went like, I don't know how he managed to do it. But he poked me in the eye, and so I always mess with him because somehow he ends up hitting me in the eye with everything. He'll grab my sweatshirt and be like, here, and it ends up in my eye. I hate it.
Maybe your eyes are too big.
I don't know. Oh my gosh.
I have a mirror. I
was trying to do your
I got mirror, I got
shoes.
eyelash glue.
All right, wait. I want you to film your shoes.
Oh, but show this foot. This is my better foot.
Okay.
Steve Madden.
Sandals. Oh, that's why they're so pretty. Oh wait, I'm in this. Oh, there we go.
Oh, wait, show the shoe, not the foot. There we go. Look at that. Woo, Steve Madden.
Blue outfit.
Those gifts.
All right, we're losing the men. They're filming these ones. I'll probably just do music over these.
Oh, okay. I've always got together.
This guy looks so sick. Oh, look at the Elmo heads in there. I don't know why those are in there, except for just for the hell of it.
If you got close, they started giggling.
We're at Wendy's and I'm getting a Frosty.
Hi, can take your order, please.
Can I get a medium chocolate frosty?
I'm sorry?
A medium chocolate frosty.
Okay, I'm sorry for that, sir.
That's alright.
Anything else?
That's it.
184, thank you.
Thank you. Oh, no.
I have $2.
They're gonna spit in your frosty.
Why?
Because
Because you made them.
made her feel like retarded. A medium chocolate frosty. Fuck, give me my wallet.
Hey, I have $2.
I have $1, $2, $3, $4. You have $2?
Yeah, I do. I got $2. I got my Frosty. Oh, it's so delicious. Mondo is going into 7-Eleven here. He wants to get a Gatorade. He didn't want a Frosty. He ate some of mine. Actually, he licked some of my Frosty with his tongue. No, he ate some of my Frosty as soon as I got it, which is fine. I tried to get him to get one because he said how good it tastes, but he wants a Gatorade. So he went in to get a Gatorade, And then we're probably gonna call it a night. We're gonna go home and watch a movie and end our Saturday night. And then tomorrow, yeah, tomorrow's a new day and it's supposed to be another lovely day over here in California. Have a good night, guys.